This lighter equals tripod. Tripod equals rocket. That equals
Huck it.
Huck it.
Trying to get the bug. You gotta be really careful. These bugs are really dangerous. Ow! He got me! How dare you?
Yeah, just my tripod's all jacked up. It's legit. No, but my tripod's really jacked up, and that's why it keeps falling. It keeps getting jacked up and stuff. Hey, yo, what's good, Sky? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Skylar Burgess, and I hope you're having a great day. So far, I'm having a fantabulous day.
Fantabulous!
Fabulous. But okay, so flashback to last night. We couldn't sleep last night. First of all, because there was a snake. Okay, so Lawson found. By the way, but okay, I'm just gonna cut that out. Okay, but Lawson found. He was gonna go down here in the bed, about here, and then yeah, there's a snake right there.
I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake.
We don't know if it's a snake or a rope because it looks like a rope and it looks like a snake.
Snake?
I know, but I was gonna get down there, but like, look how dirty.
We need a stick. Hey, this is a stick.
Right there. We need a stick and hit it. But just why did it go? It slithers in there if it's really a snake.
I'm a snake.
What?
I found it. I was gonna like there. We gotta show them the crack, like where I was gonna go.
No, I already showed them it.
You did. Well,
Yeah.
there's like the crack. I was gonna go in the crack, and then I saw something. I was like, I'm out. And then, and then I went. The first thing I got that was stupid. I got Skylar and Liam. Should have got my dad. And yeah. Well, it was like.
It was a rat snake, and last night these people came to get the snake out last night, and the snake was crawling down this pole right, so you can see right here, down this pole right here. The guy had a pistol. Let me check the angle real quick.
And he shot the snake. And me, Skylar, and Liam were playing Fortnite.
And I thought it was my phone. I was playing Fortnite, and I jumped. All of us jumped. We were in the living room too.
I was like,
he was right here with a pistol.
Right when I heard that, I was like, we did.
But this place is so amazing. So I'm about to do MC Crib. Let's get it. Hey. so hope y'all enjoyed that the little montage of the house. The house is so sick. I'll get more in detail later, but that was just a little montage to show y'all the house. Yeet. Yeet. This is scary. Yeet, yeet, yeet. They say there's alligators, and a lot of people say there's not. But like,
But there is alligators.
well, there's probably alligators in every lake, Lawson. But like, probably there is. Like Lake Norman, we live right next to Lake Norman. I mean, there's alligators in there. You don't know if there's sharks. Like it's.
There's no shark.
There's freshwater sharks like bull sharks. Bull sharks are one of the deadliest sharks.
Yeah, but no one. Why? That one! That one! Oh! That one! You did step now? Go to step.
Where you at?
I'm going in.
Let's go! Hey guys, I know y'all can barely see us, but it's fine. We're just cruising on the kayak.
Really bad.
Hey, got this. All up in here. Lawson, do that for a sec.
What?
Sarah, help me.
Put the pad on.
Cruising. In the water. Right now, we're gonna go change. We just got done kayaking and stuff. I'm gonna go inside and change, and I'll see you on my camera. Hey, okay, so we're back here right now. We're doing the dares, and last Tennessee videos, y'all saw the last Tennessee videos. The reason to do dares is because I forgot the dare box. Y'all know that box right there. I forgot the dare box, so we're gonna pick one right now. Lawson put some more in there. He got some more, so let's do it. That one right here. This one right here. Right
I
there.
already have one.
Okay, have that one.
Oh, that's one of mine.
He got a new one. He got one of the new ones.
I put a lot of bad ones in the drive-thru.
It says, make your own song and post it. Okay. So we gotta go.
no.
Let me do mine real quick, and that's not really that bad. I mean, post it on what though?
No.
Post it on what?
Put on my mom's face.
Okay, mom's Facebook. Of them are stuck to my hand.
Oh,
one of mine.
One of mine.
Eat an onion.
You know, not everybody like onions.
Oh my gosh! Again. Oh
Guys, do this when there's like parental vision.
no, don't do this. Why do you need parental vision to eat an onion?
No, like with the knife.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Just make a little bit. No, don't. Okay, we'll just do it like that.
Onion right there.
More.
Plain onions.
That little bit. I'll do some with you.
Ross, you're not supposed to. You know you're not supposed to. See, you just said you just told them to have parental vision around you, but you just put the knife up again towards you.
Cut them like right in the middle.
Ew, I don't like onions.
Other one.
Mm-mm. Ew. I'm finding it worse and worse.
Oh, I'm doing a second one.
I'm lying. Okay. I'll see y'all. We're gonna do another one.
Wait, this is yours.
Eat this paper or pick another one.
Other one of what?
Another dare. You up
Other
down?
one, I don't want to swim.
Okay, let the other person Indian burn you for 10 seconds. Yes, you do Indian burn, rubbing on your like skin. Liam does that.
It hurts.
10 seconds. Okay, ready? Wait, you push it. Ready, set, go. I can't.
I got 10 seconds. I can tell you 10 seconds right here.
1.
Ow, lost Skylar. Don't
Okay, done. I couldn't do it. Okay, so now we're eating. I skipped a few hours, but right now we're eating at this seafood place. It's pretty dope. Okay, so we just got in here. Look how weird it is. Like this is. They have a bar over there, like, and they're singing and stuff. But I think that's just for adults because there was no kids in there, and the girl was like, "I'm drinking a bottle of whiskey." And I just
Making me a little bird.
yeah, and it was just weird. So, but it's like empty. But yeah. I've never tried a beet, and I literally never tried beet. I'm just had a little bit. Liam,
They're not that good. They're not that good.
so we're gonna try it right now. Okay, hold on.
It tastes weird.
Ow!
It's weird.
Ew.
Park and
I am
he
stuck.
was smart.
Stuff. Lawson's still checking these down. Is this abandoned? Let's go in here if it's abandoned. That's actually creepy. Oh, there's kayaks in there.
It's just locked.
Look at that bunny! Oh. Hey, you got it. Come on, go.
This is stored area. My funny.
What? You said no balls.
You know what? For keep guys. I broke it with my hand.
Not clickbait.
Oh my god, he actually scared me. Dude, he scared me. I don't know why. I just didn't see. I'm about to put my phone in there. What's in there? Oh, let's really go in there. Like, even more. They were taking pictures and stuff, so we're just gonna come in here. There's Lawson coming around the corner.
Look at you guys back
I
here.
feel sick.
Room over
I
there.
gotta. Wait, does it work?
Light switch.
Nope.
What?
Hey, this is a stick. Ah!
What was that? No, really go. My heart's being a little bit, that actually scared me.
It's probably like an animal.
It's probably a squirrel or something, but good thumbnail and title because I really didn't do anything today, so thumbnail and title, y'all. This lighter equals tripod. Tripod equals rocket. That equals rocket. Okay, Liam's doing it right now.
We're gonna
With a tripod, and were you seriously putting it right there?
Yes. You wanna fight?
Savage. I'm afraid this is gonna fall, and it's gonna go right to the cabin.
Hey, you remember?
I don't get farther here.
I should. I'm fine.
Hug it! Hug it!
Hug it! Hug it! Oh! Oh! Hug it! Hug it!
Oh, it made a white.
Where's the tripod at? Yeah,